Welcome back to the self-enrollment tutorial. After we enroll to the course as a new user, we have to do the final step to assess the course materials. For this, you are going to log in as a student with the username and password you have created already. For this, click this link, press Ctrl button and click this second link. You will be directed to my classroom. Now you go to this login page. Now you log in with the username and password you have created. So in the last video we saw we created an account using this option. Now we are entering into the classroom using the username and password which we have created. So I have used this username, okay, and I have used a password. Login. Now you see your name will appear here. It is my name here, Guru Velayudham. So your name will be here if you log in with the username and password. Right. Now you don't have. Now you go to site home. Go to site home. As a student, you are there inside the course. You cannot see any of these courses. Straight go into Shakespeare. This is a course which is open access. Now you get into this course. This is where the final step is there. So see here, this is called the label. This is the label. You just watch it carefully. You click here so there is a final step here. Enroll me in this course. So you should click this. When you click this, you will be asked. See self. Here there is an option, self-enrollment student, no enrollment key required. So here just click enroll me. Now you are enrolled. Now you are enrolled and you are ready to take your quiz. Now you see you will get your certificate here. So in the previous, when you used your account, when you opened the account, you did not see this certificate. Now you have enrolled in this course. So the final step is to enroll through this label gear. Here there is a gear symbol, and this is the label, the subject label. So now it won't be available because I have enrolled already. If you are a new student, if you click this, you will see here. If you see unenroll me from this one, because I have already enrolled. Click it and come to the bottom. There will be an option enroll, and you will be enrolled. So this is how you should enroll into the course. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning. Keep updated. Thank you.